Yo, what's going on, guys? This is John here, and welcome back. And I know it's been a while. Sorry I haven't uploaded this account for a while because I don't know what I was doing, but I was probably like, you know, I don't know, probably busy or something. But yeah, but today, yesterday, I just got another Ranger, and I just found him finally, like like on Walmart. So yeah, yesterday I just went Walmart. Yeah, yesterday I just went Walmart and then I found the Blue Ranger, which is hanging on the stocking. And yeah, so I just finally found him. That is so awesome. So let's look at the back, see what we have. So yeah, so here's the Blue Ranger sword and his Morphex key. And we got the Red Ranger, Yellow Ranger, Blaze, and Tronic. But yeah, so we're gonna be unboxing him today. So let's get to it though. I'm just like open him up. I don't know where to put the camera to see you guys, like, you know. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna put it like right here. But yeah, all right. I think you guys can see me, right? If you can, then yeah. All right. So yeah, so this is a Blue Ranger, and we're gonna start opening right now. Here we go. I'm taking those stuff inside the Blue Ranger's box. There's the sword. There's the Morphers key. And finally, alright guys, so I just unboxed the Blue Ranger. See, alright, I'm just giving you 360 guys. Here's the Blue Ranger, and he's kind of look cool. He looks exactly the same like the show. And yeah. I think the Hasbro did a pretty good job on the painting though of the Blue Ranger. Let's see if you can see the camera close. If not, then I'm just probably gonna put it here. Let's see if I can put the camera close. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to face the front so it can look forward, but you know what? Yeah, forget it. So it's the Blue Ranger, and he's a yeah, and also he has his own Morphex key, which is a Gorilla Morphex key. And yeah, so now I have like 2 Morphex keys. There's supposed to be 3, and I can't find the Yellow Ranger Morphex keys because my mom just accidentally throw it out. She just thought it was like a thing for it, but I just told her like not to throw it out, but she fortunately she accidentally did it. So I had to order a new Yellow Ranger thing. She owes me. And oh, and also there's a Blue Ranger sword. Or probably, wait, isn't that the exact same sword like the Yellow Ranger? I'm just comparing to the Yellow Ranger sword. Oh yeah, that does exactly looks like the same. yeah, this is the same store when it comes to the Yellow Ranger pack. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put the Blue Ranger, all parts of it, and we'll see. We'll see how he goes. All right, first we put his sword around his, yeah, around his hand. Let's move his head. Huh. Weird. His head can move like easily though. So guys, so the Blue Ranger's head can move easily. Like watch. Oh, I accidentally pressed the computer. As you can see, his head can actually move forwardly. I cannot believe it. Oh man. But yeah. So I think his head can move that as well, like just like the other Rangers. I mean, I thought they can't move their heads, but fortunately they can though. But yeah, I'm gonna put the rest of them, including the Morphex key. Alright, I just got the sword now. I need to put a gun. Whoa, guys. I had to show you the gun. This gun is usually different than the Yellow Ranger's gun. Like, it's usually different. Because this one is the Beast Blaster, and this one is, I don't know, probably like, it's like a real gun that you can shoot. Like, literally. It's awesome. Wow. Anyways, I'm gonna put the Blue Ranger's, the Blue Ranger's gun. It's got a... Oh, yeah. Alright. Fuck. I'm just gonna... Come on. Connected to it. Come on. No, you can do it. Fuck. Come on, come on. There we go. Alright, now we face this way. So the Blue Ranger can have a gun. There we go. Alright. And then finally, guys, we'll put his Morphex key on his arms. Don't know how they fit it. Come on, snatch. I'm not sure if I can snatch it or not, but maybe I can. No. Oh, never mind. I can snap his wrist. I thought I had to snap his other arm, but yeah. Alright, so let's move the Yellow Ranger. Move the Blue Ranger. I mean, the Tronic. And I'll move the Blue Ranger next to them. I just want them to stand here. Okay, guys, so like, here we are. I got the 3 action figures of the Power Rangers, baby. Yeah. Oh, but except the Yellow Ranger Morphex key is missing, so I have to order that. And then suddenly I'll be fine with it. I hope my mom doesn't lose it again. Else I'll be screwed. But yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to yell at it though, guys. I'm just like, I'm just kind of sensitive though. It's some plastic toys are lost, and that means my mom can't see it. She's totally blind. I'm actually gonna put a Tronic on the Morphex key as well. See if I can actually do it. go. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to organize the Power Rangers. Just trying to make them stand. Here we go. Okay guys, here we go. Finally. The collection of 3. Now I only need is the Red Ranger and then Blaze and then Roxy. Oh, Roxy just came out like a few weeks ago or last week because I just saw the image that there's Roxy, so I just saw Roxy in my Walmart and I finally caught it though, but I'm not buying her today because, you know, I'm just gonna buy the Blue Ranger though, because if they buy the Blue Ranger then it's gonna sold out, but yeah. So now I have 2 Rangers and 1 villain. Now I only need one more Ranger left, which is the Red Ranger. And also need Blaze and Roxy. And soon, finally, the Gold Ranger and the Silver Ranger will come soon. But yeah, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna end off right here. Thanks for watching the video because it was an unboxing video. So yeah, guys. If you'd like to check more, please subscribe to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.